Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your headphones Jabra Evolve2 85 with a cable. All you need to have is just a cable mini jack to mini jack. So on your left ear cup located this port for mini jack, so just connect the cable here. And the second one connect to your phone. Of course your phone should have this port also. And right here we can see this headphones icon here, so it means that it's connected. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.